You can make your own appointments with a tutor by going to trackcloud.go-redrock.com/eastcentral. Put that in your URL, which is the top area up here. Then you'll get the Microsoft login. This is just your first last name at student.eastcentral.edu and whatever your password is. Once you get logged in, you should see this screen here. The directions on how to make an appointment are on the left-hand side. You may or may not need to pop open the schedule an appointment. You can either choose find first available or choose a date and center. We'll stick with find first available. Now we choose a subject and you can hit search. So we've selected the class. We can choose a date again here. I can even narrow it down by what days I can meet. For the most part, all of our appointments are one-on-one, so you would click that. And you can specify whether you want it online or in person. Or you can just scroll through the times available. Sometimes you might see 2 slots. That means there are multiple tutors available at that time. Sometimes you might see the actual person's name, the tutor's name. And in that case, you know that there's only one person available. If that's what works for you, you can click on it and you would confirm. So if it doesn't have an hour, you can change it to an hour here. Type in any notes about what you want to work in and hit confirm. You can also go back to search and search again. So again, you click on the time that you want, click on the person, change the duration to 1 hour, type any notes. If you can have an opportunity to say again, is this online? Check that box. And then hit confirm. That's it. Once you make an appointment, it's going to show up in this box here. Have a great day.